Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Tune Buds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show you two different methods by using iPhone. So let's start. The first method is by using JBL Headphones app. So here is the JBL Headphones app. I will select it, and here is the JBL Tune Buds that are already connected. So I will just select it. Once you select it, here you have to scroll down, and at the bottom you see this option of support. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. So I will just select it, and here it is giving me two different options, reset or cancel. So I will select this reset option. So here it will start the reset process and it will take you out of the app. Now the hard reset process is completely done. Now we have to connect them back. So I will go out of this app and I will open the Bluetooth settings. So here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it, and again I will press and hold it like this, and here is the Bluetooth settings. So first of all, you have to put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them back into the charging case, and then you can see I will put them one by one. Now what you have to do, you have to select this JBL Tune Buds. So once you select it, it will say to you connection unsuccessful. So here what you have to do, you have to select this forget device option. Now after this you have to turn off the Bluetooth, and then you also have to close the charging case. Now you have to turn on the Bluetooth and again open the charging case. So now here you can see JBL Tune Buds are now available. Just select it, and then it will start making the connection. So here after a few seconds it will get connected. So here you can see now it is connected. You can also check through the app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings, and now I will open the JBL Headphones app. So here you can see the JBL Tune Buds are completely hard reset and ready to use. The second method for hard reset is by using the earbuds. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So I will open the Bluetooth settings, and now you have to wear these earbuds in your ears. So I will take out this left earbud and I will wear it, and now I will take out this right earbud. So after putting this earbud in your ears, you have to tap on it 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So you have to tap it like this, 1, 2 and 3, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it and I will tap on it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and on the third tap I will press and hold it for 5 seconds, and you will hear a voice prompt which says power off. So once you hear this voice prompt, it will also get disconnected from your phone as well. So here you can see now it is get disconnected from your phone as well. It means the earbuds are now completely hard reset. Now you can remove them from your ears. Now if you want to connect them back, you have to put inside your charging case. So I will put them in my charging case, and now select this JBL Tune Buds. So now if I select it, it will give me a message of connection unsuccessful. Then select this forget device option, and then turn off the Bluetooth, and now also close the charging case, and then turn on the Bluetooth, and then open the charging case as well. So here it will show you the JBL Tune Buds in available devices. Just select it, and then it will start making a connection. So here you can see now it is connected, and you can also check it through the JBL Headphones app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth, and then I will open the JBL Headphones app. So here you can see the JBL Tune Buds are completely hard reset and it is ready to use. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.